Her teeth grew at an alarming rate. Not just grew, but grew sharper. Why do you have teeth like that? I asked stupidly, my mind not working right. A golden sheen had taken hold of Susie's orange and white fur, replacing the original colors altogether. There was no mane that grew, however. This was now a lioness, the ones who hunt. Unfortunately, I could not move. Fortunately, it stood there smiling. Either the lioness was friendly, or it liked to play with its food. It not being friendly was made obvious, for it let out a guttural growl, prompting me to run. So I did. I got halfway to the house when it pounced. The lioness landed on my back, causing my knees to collapse out from under me, and I went down flat. "Don't eat me, Susie," I wailed. "Susie? I am much more than that, mangy mutt, Shamal," the lioness said in a low voice. Mangy mutt, I thought. If there's one animal I know who talks about mangy mutts, but nah, it can't be her. "The house will be lonely without you, but then again, I don't play well with others anyway," the lioness said with a grin. "Skimbles," I gasped, attempting to leap to my feet. My attempt knocked Skimbles off, and she hit her head on a rock, sending her into a daze. Now was my chance. I spun around, letting out my best growl. It had intimidated her at previous times. Then again, she hadn't been a lion at those times either. We went at it. I knew that I did not have much chance in this fight, Skimbles being a lioness and all, but I had no choice. I ducked between her legs and grabbed hold of her tail, biting hard. She roared and headbutted me, sending me side first into a tree. It went on like this for some time before I finally got hold of her front leg. I sprained it. Now, Skimbles, we've always had a bit of a rivalry, but trying to kill me? That's new. Skimbles was gasping for air, having been tired out from the fight. "That's what you think, dog. I've been trying for years." "Well, I've beaten you this time." "Wait, what am I saying? Why are you a lioness? How are you a lioness?" I questioned, bewildered. Skimbles smirked. As the smirk crossed her face, the yellow fur gave way to gray fur. She gradually shrunk to cat size, and a purple cape shot out of her back. My eyes were as round as hubcaps while I watched. "CC? What does that stand for?" I thought. "Skimbles no more. Copycat stands before you, ready to conquer your little world," she purred. The recognition hit me like a plummeting acorn. "The warp," I muttered. "Bingo, genius," she crowed. "Now, lioness didn't work. How about something more native to the area?" The cape was sucked back into Skimbles, followed by her rising onto her haunches as her back legs shot up. Her fur turned brown, and I began to recognize what she was as her claws extended. They were good for catching fish, but that wasn't the plan today. Those grisly claws were for me.